Today, we introduce Enbon FC Pro model for everyone. As an outdoor fixed installation series, the two handles of this cabinet are designed to make it easy to carry. We use the A5S Plus receiving cord and a storage cable design at the bottom. We use die-cast aluminum and it can do firm service. For install and managing will be very convenient. Rope design. There is a rule at the panel of each model, prevents module from falling during the managing and crushing accidents. Similarly, this cabinet will use waterproof level IP65. FC Pro, its thickness is 92 mm and the weight only 23 kg. It has a wide selection of pizza size, such as P4.44, P5.7, P6.67, P10, offer more options. In FC Pro, you can find all the needs you want. If you are wondering which outdoor display to choose, I suggest you consider FC Pro, an LED display that will let you down.